We're hosting a log raising event and you're invited. Hey, I'm Josh Beasley here at Honest Abe Log Homes. On April 11th here in Moss, Tennessee, we're going to have a log raising. It's going to be held indoors in a climate controlled building. And so what a log raising is honestly, people come from all over the country. Honest Abe staff, they come and we build a small log structure inside. You get to see the process, the product. We talk through all that step by step, and you'll get to meet a lot of company employees as they share with you their years of experience in this industry and helping make people's dreams come true through building their log home. So you can come. That starts at 9 o'clock. It is RSVP. We are on Central Time, so keep all that in mind. We're going to feed you lunch after the event. So we'll go right up through lunch. We'll feed you because here in Moss, Tennessee, we're in the middle of nowhere. There's nowhere to eat. So you're going to be our guest for lunch. Then you're going to be able to take a tour of our manufacturing facility where we craft every single home that our customers buy right here. So you'll get to see all that, ask your questions, learn about building a log home right here with us at our log raising on April 11th.